Carol. Who are you here representing today?
So I represent the 3D Systems Packaging Research Center. We have a lot of students that are ECE students, basically, that work within the research in the PRC.
That's pretty cool. How do students get involved with the PRC?
A lot of it is word of mouth, hence we're here today. But you know, the PRC has quite a reputation already on campus. We do a lot of packaging research. Premier packaging research institution, one of them in the world. So, you know, a lot of people are interested in working with us, and it's just a matter of getting the word out for some of the newer students on campus. So we're here today to do that. Mercy and I are holding down the fort right now. So yeah.
So if there are students who are interested in the PRC, how would they join?
So basically what we're doing today is having people register. They sign their names, they give their names and provide their email addresses, and we will reach back out to them, have them send us their resume, and they will meet with the director to talk about any areas of interest that correspond to what they do and what they're interested in what we do. So that's basically it. Mercy here is going into the more technical details, so people will get a feel for whether they're interested, and if they are, they write their names here, and we reach out to them after.
That sounds like a very personalized way to join. If students after today are interested, is there a contact information or a website that they can go to?
We do have a website, so it's prc.gatech.edu. And we have a really nice video on there, like a 5-minute video that pretty much details what we do. And we also have programs for undergraduates that are pretty much defined on there. They have information that they can look up, and so they can determine if they're interested in pursuing anything with us further.
Thank you so much for talking with us. Again, this is the 3D Systems Packaging Research Center.